Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today, we are going to make a revision on place value of numbers. Okay. First, let me tell you what is the meaning of place value of numbers. As you see, there is a fish, there is a bird, and there is a dog. Okay, do you think the fish, the bird, and the dog live in the same house? Of course not. Let's see together. This is the house of the fish, and this is the house of the bird, and this is the house of the dog. And as you see, the fish, the bird, and the dog live in different houses, and as well as numbers. Numbers have different houses. Let's see together. Here I have a small house. Do you think which numbers live in this house? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the numbers that live in this house. Okay, what is the name of this house? Ones. We call this house as ones. Ones. Okay. Let's see the next house. As you see, it is bigger than the first one. Okay, think with me. What are the numbers that live in this house? Let's see. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Okay, what is the name of this house? Yes, excellent. Tens. Okay, we call this house as tens. Okay, let's see the third house for numbers. As you see, it is bigger than the first one and the second one. Okay, think with me. What are the numbers that live in this house? Let's see. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900. Okay, what is the name of this house? Yes, hundreds. We call it hundreds, okay? As you see, we have 3 houses for numbers, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. So, when I ask you what is the place value of numbers, quickly you remember the houses I told you before. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones start from here, then tens, then hundreds, okay? When I ask you about the place value of numbers, quickly remember the houses I told you for the numbers. Now, let's answer some questions together. Find the place value of the underlined digits, okay? The first one, 345. The underlined digit 5. What is the place value of it? Yes, I told you the first one from here is ones, and this is tens, and this is hundreds. Okay, so 5 is in ones. Excellent. The next one, 894. The underlined digit 8. 8 is in, yes, 100. Excellent. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 in hundreds. Okay, this one, 334. The underlined digit 3. What is the place value of 3? Ask myself. This is ones, this is tens. So 3 in tens. This is 1. 674. The underlined digit 7. What is the place value of 7? Yes, start from here. Ones, tens. So the place value of 7 is tens. Excellent. This one, 253. The underlined digit 2. What is the place value of 2? Yes, 2 in hundreds. This one, 446. The underlined digit 4. What is the place value of it? Yes, is in tens. This one, 451. The underlined digit 1. What is the place value of 1? Yes, ones. Excellent. 376. The underlined digit 3. What is the place value of 3? Start from here. This is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So the place value of 3 is hundreds. Excellent. This one and the last one, 625. The underlined digit 6. What is the place value of 6? Excellent, 100. Okay, we finished the first part, the place value of numbers. Let's talk about the next part, value. How can we find the value of digits of numbers? Okay. How can we find the value of digits in numbers? I told you before, and don't forget, ones, we have ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, if the digit in ones, look carefully with me at this table. 1 in ones equal 1, 2 in ones equal 2, 3 in ones equal 3, 4 in ones equal 4, 5 in ones equal 5, 6 in ones equal 6, 7 in ones equal 7, 8 in ones equal 8, 9 in ones equal 9. Okay, if the digit is in tens, look with me. 1 in tens equals 10, 2 in tens equal 20, 3 in tens equal 30, 4 in tens equal 40, 5 in tens equal 50, 6 in tens equal 60, 7 in tens equal 70, 8 in tens equal 80, and 9 in tens equal 90. Okay. If the digit is in hundreds, what is the value of numbers? Let's see. 1 in hundreds equal 100, 2 in hundreds equal 200, 3 in hundreds equal 300, 4 in hundreds equal 400, 5 in hundreds equal 500, 6 in hundreds equal 600, 7 in hundreds equal 700, 8 in hundreds equal 800, and 9 in hundreds equal 900. Okay, when I ask you what is the value of digits in a number, if the digit in ones, write the same number. If the number in tens, write the same numbers and put 1 0. If the number or if the digit in hundreds, write the same number and put 2 zeros. Don't forget. Now, let's answer some examples together. Find the value of the underlined digit. Okay. 855. The underlined digit 5. What is the value of this 5? Yes, ask myself. This 5 in ones or tens or hundreds? In tens. So the value is 50. Write 5 and put 0. Or say 5 tens equal 50. Okay, this one. 542. The underlined digit 2. The value of 2. Ask myself, 2 in ones or tens or hundreds? In ones, so write the same number 2. Or say 2 ones equal 2. This one, 168, the value of 1 in hundreds, so the value is 100. 369, 3 in 100, so the value is 300. 164, what is the value of 6? 6 in tenths, so the value is 60. 738, the value of 8, 8 in ones, so the value is 8. 409, what is the value of 4? 4 in 100, so the value is 400. 389, this is the value of 9, 9 in ones, so the value is 9. 799, this 9 in tens, so the value is, yes, excellent, 90. Okay,